Here are the two new additions to the wood shop. This is a quick video. This is not a tool review. This is just showing you what is coming up on tool reviews here soon. After I put a little bit of work into these guys, like this needs to go up, this needs to get fixed, but other than that, they both work. This one has a brand new belt, which is cool. This is a fucking Delta, excuse my language. Let's open her up. No, can't mess with that. Shit, almost fucked it all up. Look at that. This was a pain in the ass to get correct, especially down here. But yeah, this is a Delta, ladies and gentlemen. This is a nice bandsaw, and I am lucky to have it in my shop. Huh? Like this? There we go, look at that. That is a good view. So yeah, this is just gonna be a quick video. I gotta run up to Lowe's. But these will be some tool reviews coming up on these two things right here. This drill press to be really, it's essential machinery. So I'm just interested to see how this thing works. It feels good. I gotta replace the ball right here. Do some work on it, but other than that.